How do you get a 6.5-meter telescope out into space? You fold it like a giant piece of origami.
This is Scientific American's 60-Second Science. I'm Lee Billings. Got a minute?
Astronomers have been planning and developing the James Webb Space Telescope for more than 20 years. In January 2016, NASA completed a milestone in its construction, placing the last mirror segment into the giant 6.5-meter primary mirror. The mirror is being constructed in a clean room at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland, where bunny-suited engineers and technicians use a laser-guided robotic arm to assemble all the pieces like a huge dust-free jigsaw puzzle. Each hexagonal mirror segment is more than a meter wide and made of lightweight, gold-plated beryllium. Polished to perfection, if each segment were the size of the continental United States, the largest defects on its surface would be just 8 centimeters high. Unfolded, the primary mirror is too large to fit within any available rocket, so the right and left wings of the mirror will leave the Earth folded over the center, and a multi-layered sunshield the size of a tennis court will unfurl, opening as the telescope travels 1.5 million kilometers to its destination beyond the Moon. A secondary mirror deploys on a long boom. The entire deployment will take weeks. Once unfurled, the shield will act like sunscreen with an SPF of 10 million, cooling Webb from room temperature to 50 degrees above absolute zero. Chilly enough for its mirror and instruments to gather infrared light emitted more than 13 billion years ago by the universe's first stars and galaxies. Webb's infrared eyes will also observe how galaxies, stars, and planets form in unprecedented detail. Such delicate observations would be impossible on Earth. The telescope is scheduled to launch in October 2018 and will hopefully operate for at least 10 years. What comes next? Of course, astronomers want to build an even bigger space telescope.
Thanks for the minute. For Scientific American's 60-Second Science, I'm Lee Billings.